Can you see how much paint I've got on there? And I'm forgetting what's light and dark. I'm just looking at the silhouette. So I'm not doing an outline. It's helpful having a really nice tip on your brush. Just building down from the head. And see the paint is nice and wet. So I can still keep moving it around. There's like a hood. Come to the shoulder. So the hood is there. Then on this side we have like a bit of the hood that comes down to an arm. The body shape of the body comes in there, but actually in the silhouette it's all one form. And then the jacket, the coat, goes back out. It's kind of a waistband. And then this is the other arm, comes out, comes down into like triangle-y type shape. I can fill that in now. Then the coat comes halfway over that triangle. It's quite nice when you've got two colours gone together. That's going to come down to a point there. And we have one leg, so that comes in, comes out for the calf, then goes back in, down here. And then this one actually is lifting slightly because they're walking. So it's hidden the top of there, then we've got another calf, and I'm looking at the gap that's between there, and then we have a foot and a foot here, and then I'm going to just kind of use a bit of the paint to set it back down. And then what I really liked about the picture is over here we have a doggy. So we have a nose, we have the eye, kind of eyebrowy bit, comes round, flicky ear. Just going to fill my brush with paint because it's running out. Then we're going to come, we've got the neck shape, body shape. Just going to get rid of that there. Comes back. Then there's a belly shape, like a band here. Comes down into a leg. And then we actually have, because it's looking from the back, at the back end, we have a tail, like this, maybe a little bit, not such a smooth edge. We have a leg here, hair between the legs, another leg, joins up there, and that comes there, and there's another leg that we can't really see, so we're going to carry on. So I let that paint in watercolour flow down. I'm using my brush on the side. And they're going on a nice walk. We could do some little splats. Oh, they're going all over there. A little bit more movement, like that. I love doing these little people. The key is not to fiddle. like I'm doing. And that's number 1. Hope you enjoyed it.